मुझे फ्रीलांसर्स के और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी से भी फ़ोन आते हैं सेइंग दैट सर वी आर रेडी टू डू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फॉर यू। जब मैं पूछता हूँ कि क्या करोगे, सर पोस्ट बना देंगे, ग्राफिकल कुछ रील्स बना देंगे और हो गया। व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स, nothing concrete comes out of them. So mind it, what I'm trying to tell you is digital marketing is not limited to just posting some graphical content or some video content to your social media. The ultimate objective is to get real customers. So what are you doing? Are you again in the trap of just getting views or likes or subscribers but not getting actual customers? Yes, this is one of the major problems today which most of the industries and most of the entrepreneurs are facing, because there is no digital marketing agency which is talking about the real getting of customers, real targeting of customers, and then giving results in the real numbers. Hi, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. Myself is an engineer, an MD and a digital marketing expert from IIT Delhi, and I'm here helping all those business owners, entrepreneurs to understand the real purpose of marketing, and again which leads to digital marketing in this digital era, and get you the real and desired results for your business to grow. So here I'm inviting you to book a call with me in order to understand what your digital footprint is, what exactly you are looking for, and how you're going to achieve that. If you are convinced and you want to excel in your business through digital marketing, please do book a call with us. We will be assessing your digital footprint, digital fundamentals, and then will lead you to an advice which is going to give you the desired results which you are thinking of. So just click in here and book a call with us. We are there to help you.